Hi everyone, I am coming to you from ITT Aerospace, which is one of the corporations that I work for in their wellness program, which big shout out to the corporations who offer a wellness program to their employees. You are doing great. So I just wanted to come to you between my classes because there is a step that I so frequently see people getting stuck on, and it is a salsa. And really it is so simple, but when the music comes on and it's super fast, then everybody kind of freaks out a little bit and gets mixed up with the feet, which is completely understandable, but I'm going to break it down for you. Right, so we're going to start by marching on the spot for 3 and then a pause. Now keep those feet doing exactly that, but on the 1, step it out to the side. Excellent, other side. Good, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you can also do this in other directions. So step forward on the 1 to do a forward salsa. Perfect. Now try it backwards. Now we can add some style as well. So come back to the side, but cross that foot in front. Now this is going to blend you into turning it a little bit. So watch how on the cross I'm turning my hips and my shoulders to start facing more of the side. And then you can start to add some hips and some arms as you feel more comfortable with the feet. And of course start speeding up when you are comfortable. Now we're just going to do all those salsas side, forward and back, and just adding those hips and arms, so getting used to the step. And then as soon as you've got those feet going and the hips going and the arms going, just work on a little bit of speed, because normally those salsa dances are a little bit fast, and really just have fun with it. So use this video as much as you like, go back and forward until you're really comfortable with the feet, and I'll see you in class this week. Bye guys.